Well, welcome back to Riley Pesce. Today we are making a delicious gnocchi soup, personally one of my favorite soups, so let's dive right into it. Alright, start off by adding 4 tablespoons or half a stick of butter to your medium heat pan. Also add in a couple teaspoons of oil or a tablespoon. I add oil because it prevents the butter from burning. Make sure you stir this constantly or it will burn. Saute half a cup of chopped celery and 1 cup of chopped or shredded carrots. And saute those. Then add 2 minced garlic cloves and stir so your garlic does not burn. Now, if you're a bad cook and want to learn how to cook, you should subscribe to my channel. Then add half a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And stir. Now you are going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now we are going to let this sit until it comes to a boil, and we'll see you in 1 second. For a while, I only made shorts. That is why my name on my channel was Riley Pesce Shorts. But we took that away, and now it's called Riley Pesce. So now we are going to start making some more long-term content. We're almost at a boil, so let's give this a little stir. Now that our soup is at a boil, we're going to stir it and turn down the heat. We are then going to add 1.5 cups of spinach, baby spinach, and give that a stir. Alrighty, the spinach is all cooked. Now we are going to add in 2 chopped chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, but I like to use chicken thighs. Go ahead and give that a stir. Now we are going to add in a little bit of heavy cream, or you can use coconut milk. Now, what I just made off camera was a slurry, which is basically any kind of liquid, chicken broth, milk, water. I'm using heavy cream and a couple tablespoons of cornstarch or all-purpose flour. When you add a slurry to a hot liquid, it will thicken, so you want to pour it in and stir at the same time. The slurry is going to activate when the liquid is hot. Now I have made this homemade gnocchi. If you want to learn how to make this, my dad made a video on his channel, Pesce's Kitchen, on how to make gnocchi. So, you can go check that out on Pesce's Kitchen, or I'll make sure my brother leaves it in the link in description. Now we're just going to add this in one at a time. Once our mixture here is at a simmer, you're going to lower your heat and add it in one at a time. Now you add this in one at a time so that the gnocchi does not stick together. Now you're going to go ahead and give this a stir. You know your gnocchi will be done when it floats to the top. We're just going to go ahead and bring up our heat and make sure it stays at a simmer and not a boil. To thicken this slurry that we added, we're just going to bring this up to temperature. Now this is all finished and we're going to lower our heat. If you found value in this video, like this video, and again, subscribe to my channel.